Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another Stella Social Hour. Today I'm going to show you how to make the tropical Bellini. It's very refreshing and easy to make. What you'll need is Stella Rosa Imperiale Prosecco, some mango juice, and a couple lime wedges. Let's get started. So I'm just going to pour some mango juice into a glass, squeeze in a couple lime wedges, and then I'm just going to top it off with Stella Rosa Imperiale Prosecco. And that's it, it's that easy. The Stella Rosa Tropical Bellini. Keep celebrating.